Hey everyone, Travel Dad Steve here, coming to you in part 3 of the Via La Estancia review. Today we're going to be talking about the room. Now I had booked a standard room with balcony, and believe me, this was anything but standard. Hey, I'm Travel Dad Steve. If you've been enjoying this channel, the insider tips, insider tricks, and education on revenue management and family travel, please like and subscribe. Your subscriptions help me to bring more content to the channel. Thanks so much and enjoy the video. When we entered the room, there was a small entryway area and then followed by a nice little stand that had the coffee maker, candies, bars, sodas, all of which were included in part of the inclusive dining package. And then we rounded the corner to the main area, which opened up beautifully. The balcony was breathtaking. A wrought iron fence surrounded a 90-degree wraparound balcony with chairs and just the perfect place to sit and enjoy the views of the ocean and the views of the property. Now this is a balcony that makes you want to order room service, sit in your robe, enjoy coffee and a pastry, relax and listen to the sounds of the ocean. I can't tell you enough what a wonderful experience it is. If you ever had a balcony on a cruise, it feels similar to that, with just a breathtaking experience and a relaxation that only comes with that kind of view. Now the room itself is large, high ceilings, good Mediterranean feel, a mix of classic Mexico meets Mediterranean, terracotta, wrought iron, wood, rustic, all the things you want to expect in a casita feel with a luxury experience. The room has a lot of natural light. It's light, it's airy. We had our balcony doors open most of the time when we were in the room. Side note, if it is warm outside, these rooms of course do have air conditioning, so nice climate control for any type of experience you're looking for. Not to be left out is of course a mention of the bathroom. Fantastic. On one side of it, a walk-in shower, then double sinks, and then all the way on the other side, a jacuzzi tub. Fun fact, the jacuzzi tub does have a pocket window in it that opens up into the main part of the room, which is kind of a fun feature. But everything about the bathroom was as you would expect, spacious, clean, and functioning just the way you need it to. A great place to get ready for those dinners that we spoke about in episode 2 of the dining experience. One of the things I really appreciated about the room at La Estancia was the hallways walking to it. Everything is open air, so you can feel the salt air, you can hear the sea, and as you walk along the corridors, you really feel like you're enjoying a different culture experience in Cabo San Lucas. Peaceful, serene are great words to describe the experience at these rooms. Our room had a special touch for our 10-year anniversary. Not one that I ordered, but one that we discovered. I'll talk about that in our next episode. We're going to talk about how Via La Estancia treated us as it was our 10-year anniversary and if they did anything special to make us feel special. So we'll see you there. Again, if you like this content, please like and subscribe to Travel Dad Playbook. You help me to bring more videos to this channel. We'll see you soon. Bye now.